Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Secure Folder is active and that you have the Samsung account or PIN ready. Otherwise, you'll be stuck. Once done, unlock your phone and turn off any lock screen app that might interfere. Then go straight to Settings, open Apps, and enable Show System Apps so Secure Folder appears. These steps remove common blockers and get you into the app-level controls where notification behavior is managed, so you can act on the persistent lock notification. Next, go into Secure Folders App Info and tap Notifications. Here you can toggle off the persistent lock notification category or disable all notifications for the app. If controls are unresponsive, clear the app cache and force stop Secure Folder, then reopen it. This often resets notification state. If the notification still persists, temporarily disable Secure Folder from Settings, right arrow Biometrics and Security, then re-enable it. That forces a settings refresh and usually removes stale lock notifications caused by a sync or permission. Finish by rebooting your phone to ensure background services and notification channels restart cleanly. That alone fixes many persistent alerts. If the lock notification still shows, back up Secure Folder contents and clear its app data, or remove and re-add your Samsung account tied to Secure Folder. This resets the internal state. Make sure updates are installed for Android and One UI, and keep your Samsung credentials handy. If anything goes wrong, restoring your Secure Folder from the back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.